Welcome to Pharmalytics, the channel where pharmaceutical quality meets analytics-driven insight. Today, I'm unpacking a topic every pharma pro needs to master: the 3F's of data integrity, fat finger, falsification, and fraud. Plus, I'll break down how the MOM theory can help you prevent these violations before they ever happen. First up, let's talk about fat finger errors. You know the drill. Someone means to enter quote 32.4 quote, but types quote 23.4 quote instead. Fat finger is all about honest, unintentional mistakes, but in our industry, even a small typo can snowball into big problems. The solution? I always recommend designing user-friendly systems, using input validation, and making sure everyone gets thorough training. It's about making the right choice the easy choice. Next is falsification, and this is where things turn serious. Falsification happens when someone knowingly enters false data. Maybe it's pressure, maybe it's confusion, or maybe it's a sign of a weak ethical culture. The fix starts with strong policies, real ethical training, and a culture where people feel safe speaking up. I'm a big believer in ALCOA, plus that's attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, accurate, complete, consistent, enduring, and available. If you live by those, you're on the right track. Now let's get to the most severe F, fraud. Fraud is when two or more people intentionally collaborate to mess with the data. That's a whole new level of risk. To prevent it, transparency is key, along with clear governance, strong internal controls, and regular audits. And don't forget the value of a good whistleblower hotline. So how do you stop these problems at the source? That's where the MOM theory comes in: motive, opportunity, and means. Motive is tough to spot, but you can shape it with a forgiving culture, clear ethics training, and SOPs that reward integrity. Opportunity is about access and oversight, so use role-based permissions and make data integrity a visible priority. Means are the easiest to control: lock down date edits, block unauthorized exports, and protect raw data from risky hands. Bottom line, data integrity isn't just a box to check, it's a mindset. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe to Pharmalytics. Stay informed, stay compliant, and above all, stay ethical.